Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I have a small haul for you. And this is one of the things that I got. This is from Amazon. I got these tear guides. I got these to kind of help me with tearing the paper for my junk journal. I'm still working on those first 3 signatures that I did. And I'm still putting things into each signature. I'm going back looking at videos of people embellishing their junk journals and finding just little things like tabs and other types of tuck spots and paper clips, DIY stuff, and I'm enjoying doing that. So, and when I get one of them almost done, or what I feel maybe done, I'll come back and show you that. But I got the tear tape, listen at me. I got the tear guides for that. I picked up the Reptile Glue. And it's okay glue right now. I don't have a problem with it. There is a learning curve. And the only reason why I say that is because you have to let this get tacky first. And then adhere your stuff together. It's not like, you know, anything specific. The only thing about this product, let me see if I can find it. Please clean all containers. Do not freeze. Hide this. Poke a hole. Works well. And of course, when I'm looking for it, I can't find it. Oh, here we go. This part right here where it says shelf life of 1 year unopened. Keep out of UV rays or product will discolor. Now that part I don't care about, but the shelf life of 1 year unopened is why I actually contacted the company about this, because it says you got 1 year unopened. So my question is, when was this bottle filled? And then there is no like born on date on here. So I contacted the company and asked them, you know, how do I know how old this product is? The person that replied to my email basically says that they fill the bottles and then ship them out. They don't have time to sit around. So I'm like, okay, but you know, to me it would just be better if there was an actual born on date on here, so we would know. But that really doesn't mean a whole lot because they can put whatever date on them, whatever they want. So anyway, and I use it in this bottle right here, and which actually I was very surprised about. It just comes on out, it just flows. The other bottle, the other glue that I was thinking about was the art glitter. That stuff doesn't come out the tips, the little fine tip bottles that easily. And maybe because mine had gotten old, maybe that's the reason why. But we're not gonna worry about it. We're not gonna, what is it, split hairs about it. It's not that big a deal. Okay, now this glue right here, this glue, I'm gonna say adhesive, I purchased to replace this one. And is anything wrong with this one? No. But these 3 cost $2 more than this one. And this says pH neutral, PVA. This glue is PVA and it is neutral. So I'm going to give it a try when I'm binding my books. I'm going to see, I may have to do a couple books, do one with this and then one with this one, and see how they behave. But I personally don't foresee an issue with it, but you know, who knows. Let me put these over here. And the last part of this are some dies that I picked up. Well, that they've been slowly trickling in, and I still have more that are coming. These are the dies that I had purchased a while ago, of course. And I think I showed you guys these scissors right here. I showed you guys the scissors. Sorry about the interruption. And I got this one. This one came in. It's just hearts on a bow. I thought it was cute. This right here is another, this is apple. It's a little apple head person. I call them apple head anyway. And this is for whenever I start doing the recipe card swap. This is the glue bottle, and these are from Nicole. This one and these two are from Nicole Silhouette, and these were her designs that she did, and you could only buy on her Etsy. This one is not a new die. This one is one that I've always had, and I can use this with my junk journaling because it's like, I guess, a postmark. And I was like, okay, now you mean tell me I've had this all along, and then I just ordered one, like a stamp with a postmark. I'm like, oh my goodness, see, I'm spending money and I really shouldn't be. This one is another foodie one. These are like little gingerbread people. It's two people, and then there's a bowl that they sit in, and I'd have to at some point in time show you how the actual thing looks once I put. I guess it would have been nice if I could have put it together, but yeah, y'all know I had to do that on the Try My Dye Wednesday. But that's what this one is for. And I got two of these. Now I only ordered one, but I have two, and I think the reason why I have two is because this is the first one. This one has no holes. Like if your cutout, if it gets stuck, there's no way to get it out of here without possibly tearing it up or damaging it. This one, however, does have holes. It has a hole here, 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 and here. So I think that is the reason why the wait a minute, and there's one right there too, and one right there. So these have the holes. This one has the holes in it to aid in you getting your cutout, and this one doesn't. So I think that's the reason why they sent it. At least if that's not, that's what I'm gonna say, because I've checked and I did not order two. I only ordered one. Okay guys, that is it for my haul. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back in it, and I see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.